This is PCB footprint I have created. The footprint name is microchip LAN something. So the part number is manufacturer part number is LAN 8742A dash Z. So this is good to use. But what is 3D model and why it is important in PCB footprint? This is 2D model which I have created. I have assigned a 3D model also, 3D step model. Just go to 3D step, 3D viewer, and here you can see that this is 3D step model. This box and you know the white color pad, this is 3D step model. With the help of 3D model step model, you can properly see that whether I have created correct footprint or not, whether the pads are properly fitting or not, whether I am missing any pad or not. Even you can justify that whether I have taken properly, the height is proper I have taken or not. So you can say that height is also properly you have taken in your footprint. Everything is perfect. It is good to use. Even you can see your pin number one, whether it is on right position or not. Sometimes it is start from here, here, and here also. So you can see whether I have taken the pin number one to right place or not. Everything is perfect. This is how 3D step model important in your design. How you can assign it? Just go to setup, uh, setup step package mapping. Here you can see that I have selected the right 3D step model for my footprint. Okay, if you change anything, it will show something wrong. See, it is not properly assigned since this is not 3D step model of this package. You can see. Okay, so you have to choose right 3D step model and you have to assign properly. After that, here it is not showing, but here there is save option. You can change it, and here you can see different views, back, front view. So if everything is fine, then you can save, and after that it is good to use. So this is how you can utilize 3D step model in your design, in your PCB footprint.